What are we looking for in a material? Strength, this tells us how well a material can resist deformation or breaking under a load. Ductility, this shows how a material can bend without breaking. Toughness, this tells us how much energy a material can absorb before breaking. Hardness, this is all about how resistant a material is to permanent deformation. Stiffness, this is the resistance of a material to elastic deformation. Creep, this is when a material changes shape over time under a constant load. Fatigue, this happens when a material fails after being loaded and unloaded many times. So how do we know if a material has these properties? We conduct some test. We do tensile test, compression test, shear test, bending test, hardness test, impact test, creep test, fatigue test. The forces that acts on the material are: tensile force, this is a pulling force that stretches a material. Compressive force, this is a pushing force that squishes a material. Shear force, this force makes two parts of a material slide past each other. Bending force, this force makes a material bend. Torque, this is a twisting force that rotates a material. Now, these forces can cause different effects on materials. There are two main types. Elastic deformation, this type is reversible, which means the material will go back to its original shape once the force is gone. It happens when the atomic bonds in the material stretch or bend. Plastic deformation, this type is irreversible, meaning the material won't return to its original shape after the force is removed. Here, the atomic bonds break and reform.